Welcome to the culinary delights of Brazilian cuisine, where the picanha reigns supreme as a barbecue favorite. Today, we're going to explore an extended version of the Brazilian picanha recipe, ensuring a feast that's both delicious and authentic. First, the selection of the picanha cut is paramount. Look for a cut with a rich, thick fat cap, as this imparts incredible flavor during cooking. When slicing the picanha, aim for steaks about an inch thick, ensuring each piece has a generous layer of fat. For seasoning, we stick to the traditional method, coarse salt. However, for an added twist, consider rubbing a clove of garlic over the meat before salting. This subtle addition enhances the steak's flavor profile. Grilling is an art. If you have access to a churrasqueira, use it to achieve the authentic Brazilian barbecue experience. Otherwise, a charcoal grill works wonderfully. Start by grilling the steaks fat side down to render and crisp the fat. This process not only flavors the meat, but also creates a tantalizing crust. As the picanha grills, let's prepare some classic Brazilian sides. Farofa, a toasted cassava flour mixture, is a must-have. Cook it in the rendered fat of the picanha for extra flavor. Also, consider making a simple Brazilian-style rice and a fresh tomato and onion salad with a lime dressing. And these sides complement the rich taste of the picanha perfectly. For those who enjoy a bit of heat, a homemade chimichurri or a malagueta pepper sauce can be a great addition. Drizzle it over the sliced picanha for a burst of flavor. Once the picanha is grilled to your liking, typically medium rare, let it rest for a few minutes. This rest period allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring every slice is juicy and flavorful. To serve, slice the picanha against the grain. This ensures tenderness in every bite. Pair your picanha with a cold Brazilian deer, or for a more traditional pairing, a glass of caipirinha, Brazil's national cocktail. There you have it, an extended Brazilian picanha recipe that's sure to impress at any barbecue. The key to a great picanha is simplicity in seasoning, careful cooking, and the joy of sharing this delicious meal with friends and family. Bon appétit!